Nothing is officially confirmed that the phone 2A will be made in India. The company is gearing up to unveil the new smartphone soon, but ahead of its release, the phone 2A's manufacturing of a unit in India was announced. The London-based startup is turning to local manufacturing. This move will not only create more jobs but enable the brand to grow its investment in the region. The upcoming phone 2A will be manufactured in the manufacturing facility in Tamil Nadu. To recall, Nothing Phone 1 and Phone 2 were manufactured locally in the past. Nothing Phone 2 global launch will be held in India tomorrow. The brand will set up a live stream for the announcement and host an in-person event in New Delhi. Popular Indian actor Ranveer Singh is confirmed as a brand ambassador for the product. Nothing Phone A is set to be launching with a custom Dimensity 7200 Pro SoC that is developed with MediaTek. The company is gearing up to launch its phone. It's already given up the entire design. The brand is even gearing up to unveil CMF Neckband Pro and CMF Buds as well. So stick around for tomorrow. You will get a lot of good products for a maybe good price.